Hello, What Job Doer here, and today's little adventure into culinary good times is this right here. We're gonna make some brownie here, brought to you by the good friends at Ghirardelli, right? Sure, I don't know any of them, but look at the size of that box there, huh? And so I'm gonna make this here box of brownies. Not the whole thing though, because on the back it says here on the front 6 packs, and on the back here it says if you did 6 packs, you'd make 96 brownies. You need a 24 by 16 inch pan, a full sheet pan, 6 packages, 2 cups of water, 2 cups of vegetable oil, and 6 eggs. And well, I only got 2 eggs. So with that, I could do 24, but no. Basically, some backstory here is I went out and had some dinner, and you know what? They did not have no dessert in the house. So, do my own. And 16 brownies, I need an 8 by 8 or a 9 by 9, which I believe I have a 9 by 9. We'll get to that soon. But this recipe calls for a 1/3 pouch, or no, 1 pouch mix. And 1 pouch, yeah, nice. And what else we got here? A 1/3 cup water and a 1/3 cup vegetable oil and 1 egg. And we got the egg right here. So, I'll start with the egg, and I'll bring it over to the mixing bowl, see? And egg, we'll go something like this, kind of crack it. And nothing fancy here, because that's not how I do eggs. I do it very carefully, try to make sure no shell bops in there. And I think I see something in there. Yeah, get that egg white in there too. That's the good part? I don't know. Get in there. Roar. Boogers. Yeah, okay, well, and this here's going to go in the garbage disposal. If you have a compost bucket, you can stick it in there. If you have a trash, get in there too, I guess. And so, eggshell, going bye-bye. Okay. Quick wash of the hand, and dry it. Okay, so we got that in there. Next step is we need, let's see, I got a spoon here, a fancy spoon. And now I'm a little neurotic about eggs. And there's like this little boogery white thing on them, usually on them, which just bugs me to no extent. Come here, boogers. Anyways, I'm gonna have to do this over the sink, not make a mess, but white boogery egg thing is off in the sink now. Right. Yeah, yolk. Okay, so we've got egg yolk in there. Next, what it needs is a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Add that in there. 1/3 cup. Measure. Okay, now the next thing is the mystery ingredient. Sure, we can do water. Wait, water? Yeah, water. But I looked at the box here. Okay, and the box has like recipe there for macadamia brownie cupcakes, and down here there's a sangria brownie cupcake. And on the back, look at this cake here, an ombre brownie cake. And this is funny because this ain't the first time I've heard ombre today. The time before this had to do with someone's hair. They had an ombre hairstyle. Y'all know who you're out there. But what we're going to do here is secret ingredient is a little bit of this, actually it's going to be a 1/3 cup of this juice per se. This here is jarred cherries. Whoop. And it's going to go in there for now. Alright, so I don't know if this is how it is in real life or not, but I'm trying to do like a little, what they call Black Forest. And it's not totally from the Black Forest in, I think, Germany. But what we're doing here is a Black Forest, basically chocolate and cherries combo. Is what I was brought to think is Black Forest flavored the stuff. But egg, vegetable oil, and then that juice stuff there, and then you stir it. Yeah, just reading this to make sure I'm not doing this wrong. It's like 3 steps. So I'm just going to go ahead and stir this puppy up here. Get that egg busted up, and maybe I can get a little frothy in here. Got my spoon here, right? Okay, so that there is mixed. Next, I want to add my package of Brownie mix. And instead of just strong handing it and let it blow over the place, I'm going to cut the top off. Because, you know, I need all this mix to go in the bowl. Come to find out, if you have if it's an 8x8 pan and you do 9x9, they're usually a little bit thinner. So then you go, and now inside this is 3 different types of chips, they say. Supposedly. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and integrate this here. And this is going to take a while, so instead of boring you with some stirring action. And I mean, I could probably use a blender, but I don't think so, because, you know, there's chocolate chips in here now. And if you used a mixer, I guess I'm trying to say, there might be a chocolate dust in here. I'm thinking about a hand beater is what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is coming along pretty good. Well, fairly good. Alright, I'll integrate it and be back. Alright, look at that. Nice, dark, and luscious. So, to add to this here, the secret ingredient here, we've got some, what are these things? Cherries, dark Morello cherries. Pitted sour cherries and syrup is what it says it is. And so the little pips should be all out of this thing, see? And got me a strainer spoon. And if a little bit more juice comes in, that's fine. But let's see, we got 6 there. And we got, you know, a few more here. Get in the pool. I'm hoping that whoever did the pitting on these things did a good job. And so I'm adding, yeah, 3/4 of a cup. Maybe a cup of these nice little luscious cherries. Hoping it's all pitted out. And I'll give this a few stirs here, just to integrate it in to the batter. Try to kind of fold it in, actually, is what I'm trying to do here. Fold them in. I don't want to crush them all, I don't want to smash them all. And one other secret ingredient. I got this little luscious dark chocolate covered, dark chocolate on the outside, peanut butter on the inside. And whoever finds this is going to have good luck. In it goes. And I'll stir it. Make sure you take the wrapper off, if you're doing this little trick. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is go over to the pan. The pan, what we got going on here is, what do we got? A 9x9. And I kind of put in some parchment paper, cut it and made a crisscross. And if I pour in the middle, it might just work out right. So let's see here. Mm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Little constipation. That's going. Maybe I need a silicone scraper. So I get a silicone scraper on this action. You guys can sit there and wait a little bit. Alright, so we got it spread out in the pan real good. And what this goes now into is a 325 degree oven for 45 to 50 minutes. If you're using a glass pan, add 5 minutes to the baking time. And let it cool completely before cutting into them. Oh, and also, if you're using a pan without the parchment paper, parchment paper here, you want you to grease it or spray it, right, so it comes out, doesn't stick. So I'm just going to wait for this oven to pop up to 325 and give me the buzz, and I will be sticking this in the middle shelf, and let it go. And yeah, should be magic when it gets done. And unfortunately, I already know where the secret nugget is in there, so it won't be too secret when it comes out. Instead of, basically you could just do the recipe like it is, omit the cherry juice stuff and just have water in there, and you can put in, you can add nuts to it. You can add, other chocolate chips of some type, mint kind, whatever. You can throw in, I could have thrown in more of these here, chocolate num-nums here, peanut butter cups, unless you're not into peanut butter. But no, Black Forest, right? Cherries in there. You should have your fruit. This is fruit, folks. Okay, well, instead of babbling, I will let it beep, and we'll be back in an hour or so. Okay, so the timer beeped off at 45 minutes now, and let's take a little look-see in here, hey? Open this up, a little hot air out into the room, and I'll slide this puppy on out and do a toothpick test on it just to see how much done it is or so. Bring it like so, toothpick in the middle, boop, and looks pretty clean. But I'm slightly a little at the bottom there, and I'm gonna just leave it in there for another 2 minutes. So 45, 46, 47 minutes total. And then we'll bring it on out. Alright, and behold, we've got brownies. And now yes, I'd love to just take a big half gallon of ice cream and plop it on top, let it melt in there a little bit, and gorge myself on this. But no. Well, if it's the cool of the way, it's actually kind of finishing, cooking off, it's not super done. You can tell usually by the edging if it's all bubbly and crackly too much, and it's kind of super done. But this here might even sink in a little bit. But this is going to be good, I'm pretty sure. But I want to wait probably, I don't know, at least 10 minutes or something, maybe half an hour, and check it out after that. I'll be thinking about what kind of ice cream I might want to go with this thing, or if I just want to go all all brownie. But that's soon. And the smell, the smell is delicious. It has the chocolate, it has the cherries in there, and yeah, okay, so it cooled properly here, so I'm just going to grab some sides here, and bring it on over right here, and I think I'll just, how easy it is, I'll just do a little piece like this. Cut off a nice little chunk here. Yeah, let's put this on here. first piece is always the hardest to get. So, a little bit of paper there. Get rid of that. And get rid of this too. Come here. There. Right. And now, I'll just do a little bite here. Oh my gosh, that's so gooey and delicious. Nice crust there. But you know what? I'm going to hit this in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Okay, so 15 seconds later, we've got it nice little warmed up again. I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of ice cream on top. Now this ice cream here is not really just vanilla. It's actually macadamia nut. We can use vanilla, whatever your favorite is. And there we go. Little slightly close to midnight snack. Of course I didn't eat the whole thing, so there's some left over for the people tomorrow. If I can find anyone. But yeah, yummy. And you know what? Can't go wrong with Ghirardelli. I mean, they got their stuff on lockdown. Their dry ingredients, real good. All you gotta do is like add the egg, add the oil, add the water, mix it together, pan it, bake it, big out. So, questions, comments, leave them down below. And I gotta go clean up dishes and stuff. Starting with this one. Talk to you later.